Hello, this is Mr. Hubbard. Getting on here, trying to take you guys through a little bit of my expectations and some of the differences and adaptations that we're going to be making for PE because of the coronavirus. As always, I do have middle school and I do have high school, so there's going to be a lot of similarities. There's going to be some differences between those two, but I am making one video, so like I said, we will address all that here in a minute. First of all, day one. When you guys come into the classroom, you do not need to dress out. We don't need to worry about that. That's always going to be the same. We are going to go more thoroughly over the syllabus, which I'm going to send home with you guys. So if you have parents or anything and they really want to take a look at some of the curriculum and some of the things that we're going to be going through, the standards and so forth and so on, again, parents, you guys are going to have access to that, again, in the paper copy with all your students that are attending. The next thing I really want to get to as well is if you are in my class or on my roster and you are doing virtual learning, be looking in your school emails. I'm going to be sending you a Google link. This is something that is very necessary and I need you guys to be doing. You are going to be invited into a class. Now this, what this middle school class and subfolder is going to be is going to be shared between Mrs. Lawson, Mrs. Owens, and myself. And you guys will be doing a lot of similarities to what we did last year for our e-learning. It's a little bit different from everybody else, and here's the biggest difference and the reason why. Due to FERPA, we cannot sit around and have everybody recorded. We also feel like if we're playing basketball, for example, with a group, you're not going to be able to necessarily go out and do basketball. So you are still going to be required to do your workouts, journal any activities that you're going to be doing if you're a virtual learner. But again, look in your email from the school. You will get your join Google Classroom here within the next couple of days. As far as my classes, here's some of the differences. Middle school, to start off with, you guys are going to be in tennis shoes only. We will try to get you out some information in terms of if we are going to be very active one day or another, if you want to try to dress for those days and not the other ones. We're just going to be a little bit more cautious, again, because of the space and trying to keep our social distancing. For the high school, we're going to go as normal. You will dress out, okay? Again, you don't need to worry about it on the first day. I will go over this on the first day, but you will dress out. You'll be tennis shoes. We will go hard. There is a clause, though. My first unit, and always has been for high school, will be archery. During that first 3 weeks in archery, you guys will not be dressing out on those archery days. However, you will be dressing out on the fitness day. So, again, be prepared, get some tennis shoes, and we will be going at it as well on that. As far as my expectations, guys, again, it's always going to be respect first and foremost. I've always said it this way. It's a two-way street. I'm going to show you guys. I really expect you guys to show it in return. So to be forthright and honest with you guys, that's one of the most important things to me. Are you going to be behavioral? Are you going to be respectful? I understand we all have bad days. We try to carry our best attitudes into the class at all times. I also expect us to be hard workers. That is something that I feel like maybe is a missing trait for some people. So I really focus on that, working hard. And then when we're playing with a good sportsmanship. We're having a good time and we're enjoying those parts of it as well. So again, looking forward to this year. I know the number is 2020. We have all kinds of clear vision. Well, outside of the coronavirus, that's kind of changed it. It's muddied it up a little bit. But anyhow, looking forward to a great year. Again, I'm going to give you further instructions first day, but as you come in tomorrow for school, just bring yourself, be ready to listen. I'm going to get you out some syllables. Parents, go ahead and take a look at those syllabuses and try to get them back to me. And that way I can just know and check and see if you guys have seen them or not. So I'll have a parent's signature line on it. So have a good day. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.